Hi everyone, my name is Eddy. Welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a vegan sushi with eggplant. Okay, let's get started. To make the eggplant, first we will need to create a sauce. Okay, now let me create the sauce. The sauce also then called, most common is they call the eel sauce. First, we need a soy sauce. Okay, in this soy sauce, I put about 2 spoons, and mirin, I just put 1 spoon. Okay, remember this measurement: 2 sauce, 1 mirin, and sugar. Very important. Okay, we put also 1. Okay, so remember that, 2, 1, 1. Okay, let me put this back. And what we need in here is just give the little. If you have a veg stock, you can use veg stock. If you don't have, no problem. Just use the normal water, just 1. Okay, that's it. Then let's bring heat up. Okay, there is a question asked about can they replace white sugar, use brown sugar? I would like to say yes, you can. If you create a sauce, the brown sugar also give you nice flavor, so you can use brown sugar. It's take about I would like to say about 3 minutes. That reduction. Okay, in this time, in case to getting burned, so we can turn down to medium fire. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to know the sauce is ready. Okay, now you can see the sauce is still quite big bubbling. So once the sauce getting smaller bubbling, that means it's ready. Okay, you can see the bubbling start getting smaller. Let me turn down like this, getting smaller, smaller and smaller, and you can see the sauce getting thicker. Okay, that is means it's ready. So it's in this amount it's taking quite quick. If you doing the large amount, so it take a little bit longer. But as you see, the sauce, okay, the bubbling getting small and the sauce getting thick. Okay, let's heat off. Okay, then we take this sauce for our eggplant. Now, first of all, let's slice our eggplant. We can just slice. Okay, I would like to say about ½ centimeter. Okay, about this slice. Okay, like that. Okay, straight away. Okay, that's good. And now let me show you. That is the good for me. And as you can see, these pieces is just skin on the side, but the end of the pieces is covered in the skin. I'm gonna just cut the skin not too deep. I cut one way and then across like this. The reason we cut it like that can be help to when we doing the sauce in. Okay, now I'm gonna put in my rack. Okay. Like that. Okay, in the same time, don't forget, prepare the oven to 190 degrees or about 375 Fahrenheit. Then get yourself, let me get a brush, then just gentle brush. Okay, our eggplant. Okay, now then we ready put it into the oven. The reason I didn't brush on the side because I need to go in one by one side by one side. So we put it place into the oven. About 10 minutes later, then turn other side, then brush, then put it back to the oven again. Now it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna bring my eggplant to turn over. Now I'm going to flip my eggplant. And then just do ready. And now I'm going to brush my eggplant. Okay, just everywhere. Okay. Okay, right. Now we back to oven for another 10 minutes. All right. So that is look so such a beautiful color. Ready to serve. Now let me place my eggplant on the cutting board long. Okay, on the side. Okay, then we can ready to making sushi. You can let it cool down a little bit before we start working, otherwise easy to getting burn yourself. So now let me getting cutting for nice shape for the sushi so long. Okay, first of all, this I got one. Okay, what I'm planning to do is just get a little bit chunky out on the side. Okay, that is good for me. There's one, and these. Let's try to get the similar shape as possible. Okay, that's okay. And this one also can either just cut in to the half. Okay, also can cut it by the size, and much easier. Okay, now we can start making our sushi. If you want to know how I'm making sushi rice, you can check my other video how to making sushi rice. Also remember, before we working on sushi rice, make sure all your hand and finger is getting wet. Okay, now let's get the sushi rice bowl in and start making our nigiri sushi. Also, you want to know exactly how to making nigiri sushi, you can also check my other video how to make a nigiri shape. Okay, here. Okay, so that is the one. Ready? Okay, then let's do another one. Here we go. Okay, now place in, put in, and okay. That's my second one, and also another one. Here we go too. Okay, that nice shape. Okay, one more. Okay, I make 4 in here. Okay, we're ready to plating. Okay, there is the 1, and there is the 2. And if you like that, you can use whole big piece like this. Okay, what I'm gonna do, let me show you. Just get some sushi rice. Okay, like this. Look, then just rolling up straight away. Give you a different shape. This one, and get another one also. Okay, up. Share. Okay. For a nice presentation, we can take a strip of the nori and wrap like this. Maybe put a bit of seaweed in there. Get a beautiful, nice shape. Okay. Let me clean up my plate. Then now we have the 3 different shapes of the eggplant nigiri sushi. Can also use the rest of sauce. Just give the nice extra blush on the top, like that. Okay. And finally, we garnish with some roasted sesame seed. Okay, that is the simple vegan eggplant sushi. Alright, this is my how to make a vegan sushi with eggplant. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget click like and subscribe. I see you next time on Eddy's Kitchen.